Welcome to Super Top. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, and we're focusing on one of the top brands in the game, CHEFMAN. Whether you're looking for a versatile air fryer to handle multiple cooking tasks or something compact and powerful for quick meals, CHEFMAN has a model for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the best CHEFMAN air fryers. From multifunctional digital air fryers to sleek, space-saving designs, these air fryers are sure to elevate your kitchen experience. And remember, if you're interested in any of the products we mentioned today, the links to access them are in the description of this video. Let's get started. 1. CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This one is an absolute beast when it comes to versatility. You can air fry, bake, dehydrate, roast, and even use the rotisserie function, all in one appliance. With 17 preset options, anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes, and the touch control screen makes it easy to use. The 10-liter capacity makes it perfect for families, and with its rapid air heating technology, your food will be crispy and cooked evenly without the need for preheating like traditional ovens. Plus, it uses 98% less oil, so you're getting all the crunch with none of the guilt. This air fryer also comes with 3 airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, and a drip tray, all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. A perfect all-in-one appliance for any kitchen. Check out the link to this product in the description. 2. CHEFMAN TurboFry Touch. Next up, we have the CHEFMAN TurboFry Touch, a compact but powerful air fryer that fits easily on your countertop. With its 4-quart capacity, this model is great for small families or couples. It has a 450 degrees Feuer high fry technology to give your food that perfect crispy finish, ideal for chicken tenders or French fries. It's super easy to use, with a digital touchscreen that lets you control cooking time and temperature, or choose from one of 4 preset functions for quick meals. And thanks to the integrated viewing window, you can watch your food get perfectly crispy without opening the basket. As an added bonus, the basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For more info, check out the link in the description. 3. CHEFMAN TurboFry Touch XL. Now let's talk about the CHEFMAN TurboFry Touch XL, perfect for those looking to cook for larger families. With its extra-large 8-quart capacity, this air fryer can handle everything from veggies to frozen pizzas with ease. The one-touch digital controls make cooking simple, and the built-in presets for fries, chicken, and fish are a lifesaver when you need dinner on the table fast. The shake reminder feature ensures your food cooks evenly, and with a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have full control over how crispy or tender you want your meals. Like the other models, the basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Want to learn more? The link is in the description. 4. CHEFMAN 6-quart Dual Air Fryer. For those of you who want the convenience of cooking 2 dishes at once, the CHEFMAN 6-quart Dual Air Fryer is a game changer. With 2 separate 3-quart baskets, you can cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, and the sync finish feature ensures both dishes finish cooking at the same time. It has a temperature range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook anything from fries to steaks. Plus, the easy view windows allow you to monitor your food without opening the baskets. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe baskets. If you like what you hear, check out the link in the description for more details. Number 5. CHEFMAN Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Finally, we have the CHEFMAN Toaster Oven Air Fryer, the ultimate multifunctional appliance. This air fryer doesn't just fry. It can bake, broil, toast, and even warm your food. With a spacious 20-quart capacity, you can easily fit a 10-inch pizza or roast a whole chicken, making it perfect for large families or entertaining guests. It's also equipped with 7 cooking functions, so whether you're air frying crispy vegetables or baking cookies, this toaster oven has you covered. With dishwasher-safe parts and a pull-out crumb tray, cleaning up is as easy as cooking. Want to know more? The link to this product is in the description. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best CHEFMAN air fryers. Whether you're after a compact model or a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse, CHEFMAN offers a wide range of options to suit your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find out more about each of these air fryers and pick the one that's perfect for you. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top!